Hello everyone, this is itechnoteen, and in this video I'll be unboxing my new Sennheiser CX 300ii Precision Black headphones. But before I get the unboxing started, I would like to point out that the product that I'm unboxing right now is not sealed. Let me show you. The seal that was right here is broken, and this is due to the fact that I got this product, I unboxed it, used it for a day, and then I packed it again in exactly the same way as it left the factory, and now I'm making this unboxing video, so I would like to apologize for that. Alright, so let's just continue with the unboxing. So first thing that comes out is obviously this top piece of plastic, this top piece of transparent plastic. Let's put this aside, and now comes out the whole cardboard enclosure that holds the headphones and the carry case in. The carry case is below the headphones, under here, and I'm gonna put this bottom transparent plastic piece aside. Alright, now this piece of cardboard saying CX 300ii Precision Black will come out. It's gonna come out like this and this. So here it is. Let me put this aside, and now the tray holding the headphones and the additional earbuds will come out like this. You gotta lift this piece of cardboard a little bit, and then you're gonna take it out. Alright, so here it is, and then this piece of cardboard will come out. As you can see, it's empty, there's nothing in there. There it is. Let me put this aside. Alright, so now this box is gonna open up. It's gonna open up from here, then from here, then here, and finally from the top. So this here is the carry case, and as you can see, it's sticking up here, but I'm not going to peel it off. I'm just gonna leave this polythene sticking up there, and I'm just gonna open it up from the top and take the carry case out. Alright, so here it is, and there it comes. Now I'm gonna put this thing aside. So here it is, the carry case. As you can see, it opens up like this. It's pretty soft from here, but it closes pretty snugly, you can see. Alright, so I'm gonna stop playing with this and let's focus on the main business, the headphones. Okay, so here are the headphones, and now there are 3 sets of earbuds, the small, medium, and the large one. Now my size is medium, which is installed on the headphones by default from the factory, so I'm not gonna bother with these 2. So anyways, let's take the headphones out of their casing, and I'm gonna take the cable out and unwrap it. Alright, let me just remove this tie, open up this tie. Okay, so here it is. Let's put all of this aside. Alright, so here it is. Here's the 3.5 mm gold plated jack, and there's your cable, and the cable splits here, and here it says the model number CX 300ii. Then it goes, the smaller piece of the earbud with the smaller piece of cable is the left one. As you can see, here is L written here, and the one with the larger cord is the right one. Okay, so now I'm going to quickly jump over to the sound check of these headphones. I'm sorry I placed them off camera for a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to place them here, zoom in my camera a little bit. Okay, I think I need to place them a little bit further. Right, let me just adjust it. Okay, so it's good right now. And now I'm gonna plug this headphone jack into my black iPod Touch 4G 32 GB. and play a song that's copyright free. I mean, the song that I'm going to play right now doesn't have a record label. You can use it, it's open source. Okay, so now I'm going to take my iPod off screen to enter my passcode. Okay, so here it is, and music, and let's press the play button, crank up the volume. Okay, I might just forward the song a little bit. Now I'll just lift up the earbuds and take them close to my camera so that you can get a better listening. Alright, so now I'm gonna stop the music and unplug these headphones from my iPod. So yeah, that's it guys, this is the whole unboxing video done. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please press the like button. You want to subscribe to my channel, please press the subscribe button, and also don't forget to visit my website, like my Facebook page, follow me on Twitter, and blah blah blah. So once again guys, thanks for watching and have a nice day.